Muraho neza manje kubasuhuza uyu munsi tugiye kwiga modal verb. Modal verbs ni amagambo agaragaza ibintu bitandukanye nka ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation, necessity, possibility or advice. Ni ubwoko bw'inshinga zigaragaza ikintu runaka nk'ubushobozi, impushya, ubusabe, ubushobozi, gutanga ibitekerezo, gutanga amabwiriza, amategeko, kugaragaza umumaro no gutanga inama n'ibindi bitandukanye. So, aya magambo rero tudatinze murimo kuyabona ahangaha harimo ijambo can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, used to and dare to. Twatangiye. Can. Can you speak English fluently? Ushobora kuvuga icyongereza neza? Yes, I can speak English fluently. Ushobora kuvuga icyongereza neza. I can speak English fluently. Fluently ni ukuvuga ururimi neza. Can she play piano very well? Ashobora gucuranga piano neza? Yeah, she can play piano very well. Ashobora gucuranga piano neza. Piano, sinzi mu Kinyarwanda piano icyo ari cyo. Ni synthetizer. Could he swim when he was 5 years old? Yashoboraga koga igihe yari afite imyaka 5. Could, urumva ni can mu gihe cyashize. Yes, he could swim when he was 5 years old. Yashoboraga koga igihe yari afite imyaka 5. He could. Could you lend me some money if I need it? Ushobora kunguriza amafaranga niba nyakeneye? Yes, I could lend you some money if you need it. Yego, ushobora kuguriza amafaranga niba uyakeneye. I could. Nashobora kukuguriza. May you bring a friend to the event? Byashoboka ko wazana inshuti mu gikorwa. Event ni nk'ikirori cyangwa ikindi gikorwa runaka. You may bring a friend to the event. Yego, ushobora kuzana inshuti mu gikorwa cyangwa mu kirori. May it rain later? Imvura ishobora kuza kugwa? Yes, it may rain later. Ishobora kuza kugwa. Later ni nyuma y'igihe runaka. Might. Ijambo might urumva ni may mu gihe cyashize. Might you go to the gym later today? Byashoboka ko uza kujya muri gym uyu munsi? Yes, I might go to the gym later today. Byashoboka ko nza kujya muri gym uyu munsi. Byashoboka, birashoboka muri make. Might she join us for dinner if she's not busy? Byashoboka ko aza gusangira natwe bya nijoro niba adahuze? She might join us for dinner if she's not busy. Ashobora kuza gusangira natwe bya nijoro naza kuba adahuze. Dinner, yes. Shall we go for a walk in the park? Shall we go for a walk in the park? Turajya gutembera muri park n'amaguru. Walk, genda n'amaguru. Yeah, we shall go for a walk in the park. Turaza kujya gutembera n'amaguru muri park. What time shall we meet tomorrow? Ejo tuzahura ryari? Oh, we shall meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. Tuzahura ejo saa 3 za mu gitondo a.m. Ijambo rikunda gukoreshwa nubwo atari cyane, dukoresha irindi ryitwa will mu cyimbo cya shall. Irindi ni should. Should you apologize for what you said? Ahubwo ni nko gutanga inama. Ukwiye gusaba imbabazi ku byo wavuze. Nkwiye gusaba imbabazi ku byo navuze. Should she study more to improve her grades? Akwiye kwiga cyane kugira ngo yongere amanota ye. She should study more to improve her grades. Akwiye kwiga cyane kugira ngo yongere amanota ye. She should. Akwiye. You should subscribe too. Okay, will. Will ivuga ibintu twiyumvamo cyangwa se dusaba. Will you call me later? Uraza kumpamagara nyuma? I will call you later. ndaza kuguhamagara nyuma. Will you call me later? Iyi niyo dukunda gukoresha cyane mu cyimbo cya shall. We should be at the meeting on time. Araba ari mu nama ku gihe, muri make ntabwo ari bukererwe. Yeah, she'll be at the meeting on time. Araba ari mu nama ku gihe cyangwa ku masaha, ntabwo akererwa muri make. Would you love to go on vacation? Wakunda kujya mu kiruhuko? Yeah, I would love to go on vacation. Nakunda kujya mu kiruhuko. Wakunda. Would you love to go on vacation? Would she always help her friends in need? Yafasha inshuti ze igihe ziri mu bibazo. Need ni igihe ukeneye ubufasha cyangwa ikintu runaka. She would always help her friends in need. Yafasha inshuti ze igihe cyose ziri mu bibazo. Must noneho ni ugutegeka. Must you submit the assignment by Friday? Ugomba gutanga umukoro kuwa gatanu cyangwa ibyo baguhaye gukora. I must submit the assignment by Friday. Ngomba gutanga umukoro kuwa gatanu. I must. Ngomba. Must she follow the rules of the organization? Agomba gukurikiza amabwiriza y'umuryango. Ntabwo ari umuryango tuvukamo, ni umuryango ukora ibikorwa runaka. She must follow the rules of the organization. Agomba gukurikiza amabwiriza y'umuryango. Ought to noneho ni ibintu usabwa gukora, ni inshingano urabisabwa. Ought you to eat more vegetables for a balanced diet? Usabwa kurya imboga kugira ngo ufate indyo yuzuye. You ought to eat more vegetables for a balanced diet. Usabwa kurya imboga kugira ngo. Ought she to start saving money for the future? Asabwa kuzigama amafaranga yo mu gihe kizaza. She ought to save money for the future. Arasabwa kuzigama amafaranga y'igihe kizaza, kuzigamira igihe kizaza. Ought to arasabwa ni inshingano. Used to noneho ni ingeso cyangwa akamenyero. Did you used to play the guitar when you were younger? Wari waramenyereye gucuranga gitari ukiri muto cyane? I used to play the guitar when I was younger. Nari naramenyereye gucuranga gitari nkiri muto cyane. Did she used to live in New York before moving to California? Yabaga muri New York mbere yuko ajya California? Yego. She used to live in New York before moving to California. Yabaga New York mbere yuko ajya muri California. Yabaga used yari yarahamenyeye, of course. Dare to ni uguhangara cyangwa gutinyuka. Did you dare to ask for a promotion at work? Watinyutse gusaba kuzamurwa mu kazi. I dare to ask a promotion at work. Natinyutse gusaba kuzamurwa mu kazi. I dare. Does she dare to speak up against injustice? Ese ahangara kuvuga arwanya kutubahiriza ubutabera? She dares to speak up against injustice. Ahangara kuvuga cyangwa atinyuka kuvuga arwanya kutubahiriza ubutabera.